Spain and Portugal the day after a massive power cut.
Un apagón masivo dejó sin energía eléctrica a miles de usuarios.
Not known what caused the sudden drop in power supply, which...
We don't think about electricity until it's gone.
Over the past almost 2 months, a bioelectric battery has been successfully tested and developed. The battery works using copper and zinc plates submerged in a nutrient medium for the yeast. The same yeast commonly used to bake bread, consumes sugars and undergoes fermentation, releasing electrons that travel from the zinc electrode to the copper one, generating direct current. This process allows us to obtain clean energy from organic waste. This is how Genera was born. Genera is a company that's here to change the game. We want to invite you to shift your mindset. Stop waiting for energy to come to you and start generating it and living it yourself right from the comfort of your home. Like any living being, the yeast requires regular care. If you don't feed it, it dies, and the bioelectricity stops being produced. This creates a habit in the user. Feeding the yeast every 2 to 3 days, which reinforces awareness of our actions and the power we have to generate clean energy at home. At night, it functions as ambient lighting, and in extraordinary situations, during blackouts, when you're left without a power source, Genera is there for you. Genera stays on, acting as your emergency light source. To support this habit, we'll create a friendly, easy-to-use app that will send you notifications when it's time to feed your cell, with messages like, "Have you fed Volt today?"
Genera is more than an educational bioenergy kit that transforms fruit waste into electricity. It's a catalyst for transformation. It empowers kids, parents, and grandparents alike, all becoming scientists for a day can power light. Most importantly, what else can we power for life? What else can we change? Let's not just imagine it. Let's genera it. Generate light. Generate consciousness. Generate the future.